Hayırlı gün. Good afternoon. I am a teacher of Kazakh language. Doshan Jandarbekulov. It is a fall lesson. In the third lesson, we have learned to use the word in 3 times: present, future, and past. Today, we will learn how to ask. If after the word puts the ba, be, ma, me, words turn on the question form. The word right in Kazakh language, jaz. Present, right. I am right. I mean right. Jaz. After, we must choose on suffix up, ep, or p. Word jaz solid, and we choose solid suffix up. And men жазып, I write sitting, and we choose what water. Water, personal ending, pronoun men, man. Men жазып отырмын. Men жазып отырмын. I write. But to us must am I right? Now we have to choose on of for union: ba, be, ma, me. If the sentence begins with the pronoun all, then select only ma and me. Mame. If the sentence begins with the pronoun men, sen, siz, then select only ba and be. Now we have to choose between two union: ba, be, on. We look at the last word. If you choose the soft words, soft, be. If you choose the hard, solid, ba. Last word, waterman. This is solid, and select ba. Men жазып отырмын ба? Am I right? Men жазып отырмын ба? Are you right? Sen жазып отырсың ба? Siz жазып отырсыз ба? Is he right? He will write. Present жазып отыр. Жазып отыр. After we choose ma. Because what's last what water solid and we choose solid which ma. Union me for words soft. Future I will write men write just will we must choose only suffix a, ye, or e. Words just solid and we choose solid suffix a. Men жазамын. Мен жазамын. Мен жазамын. I write. Will I write? And we must choose on union. Ba, be, ma, me. And we choose ba. Men, sen, siz. Men жазамын ба. Will he write? He will write. Just жаза and the personal ending will. This is the or the. This is a form solid and the soft. And we choose the. Ол жазады. Ол жазады. He will write. Will he write? This is ол жазады ма? Ол жазады ма? Past right. Was I right? I mean right. Just after we must choose only suffix жазды it for solid words, and we choose the. Men shaz the personal ending men ismi men yazdım. Men yazdım. I wrote. Was I right? Men yazdım. Ba. Yes, I right. Yeah, men yazdım. Was he right? He. Wall. Wall yazdı mı? Was he right? Now consider the self word eat. The word eat in Kazakh language. J. Present. I eat. Are you eat? Is he eat or is she eat? Task for you. Translate from Kazakh in English language. Future what eat. Men jeymen be. Men jeymen be. Your answer, yes. Will I eat? Now, sen jeysin be. Will you eat? Will you eat? Siz jeysiz be. You answer no. Will you eat? And will she the me? You answer yes. Will he eat? Now I write to spread sentence. Sen jedin be. Sen jedin be. You answer men jedim be. Yes. Was I eat? Next. Ol jedim mi? Ol jedim mi? And you answer yes. Was he eat? And the last sentence. Siz jediniz be. Siz jediniz be. You answer yes. If you have mastered the third lesson, then there is use of the verb in 3 times, present, future, past. Then adding the union ba, be, ma, me can make a question verb. So, goodbye.